All right, guys, this is a wrist brace by Mueller. I used this when I was having a lot of wrist discomfort. So I used this to help stabilize my wrist to decrease that discomfort. The wrist brace comes in black, and that is the only color that I know of. And this size here is a large, extra large, because my hands are fairly large. All right, the fabric is very light and very breathable. It's made from latex-free recycled material. All right, I'm just going to show you how to put it on. You simply take your hand, put it through the bottom half here. Make sure your thumb goes through the thumb slot. Okay. Velcro here, pull it so it gets tight enough for your comfort, and Velcro it together. Take the second part, Velcro it together, and as you can see, it limits your bending because it stabilizes it. But you're still free to do whatever you need to do. I have not washed this in the washing machine, so I can't tell you how it does, but I have wiped it down numerous occasions with warm water and soap. The fabric does pick up lint sometimes, and that's the only thing about it. But otherwise, this has been great in helping my wrist.